Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good morning. Yeah. So we will start with the warm up as usual, and then we will go for the workout. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We will start with the warm up. Hope I am audible. Yes or no? Please write. Prashant, Manoj, anyone can write whether I am audible or not. Am I audible? Okay, I am thinking I am audible and I am starting. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, okay, first one. Up, down, 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 up, down. Change left, right, 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 left, right. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, reach higher. 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Front, back, side, up, 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 front, back, side, up. Change. Alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up in the sky when you are going any of the side. Your hands should go up and you will look up to the sky. 3, 2, 1. Up. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now keep rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Now for your ankle. Yeah. The calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, relax. Now दूसरा पैर, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change दूसरा पैर, up and down. Sorry, rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, same leg, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अभी दूसरा पैर, rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, change on your toes. Yeah, walk 5 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now back to same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Yeah. Now next. Yeah. Now backward position में जाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now next one on your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now backward on your heels only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now next one. Bend down. Yeah. Now swing your hand. 1, 2, 3. Leg should be straight, knee should be long. Yes. And swing your hand. Feel like you are running and swing it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Yeah. Now next one, up, jumping now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Spot jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Now butt kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. High knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. Everyone keep with them one stick like this. Small ball, tennis ball, 5, and a box like this. Yeah? Small box like this. I'm carrying this box. Yeah? And stick like this, a long stick. Yeah? More than 5 feet. And a ball also. Small ball which will be small ball, it will be like a tennis ball. Yeah, so it will be soft. Yeah. Okay, let's start. First we will do some ankle mobilization. Yeah, so I will shift my camera. Yes. So first we will do ankle mobilization. Yeah, see, you have to stand against the wall like this. One leg behind, other leg here. Hope you can see. Yes, you can see, guys. No. Now you can see, right? Yeah. See, the behind leg will be straight, forward leg will be bent. Yeah. Now you have to just move. Yeah. Just you have to push ahead. Just push. आगे वाला पैर बेंड रहेगा, पीछे वाला पैर स्ट्रेट रहेगा. You are working on your ankle. Make sure your toe is touching on the ground. Yeah. Wait, we will remove the shoes. Then you will know more effectively. Remove the shoes, guys, for a minute. Shoes and socks both. Yeah. So now you can see mine. So the impact will be your big toe. The big toe will be on the ground. It will not lift. So you have to press the big toe on the ground itself. Yeah. Now आगे वाला पैर का जो हील है मेरा ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं है. पीछे वाला जो हील है ग्राउंड पे टच है. Now push. Make sure your toe is on the ground and press from the toe towards the ground. Press from the toe. So you are working on your ankle and you are working on your toe, the big toe of the foot. Yeah? Yeah. Now change the leg. दूसरा पैर. अभी आगे वाला फिर से पैर ऊपर आएगा. पीछे वाला पैर स्ट्रेट हील ग्राउंड पे टच रहेगा. Just make sure you are pressing from your toe to the ground and moving, going ahead, going back. Yes. Make sure you are pressing from your toe towards the ground. toe को press करना है ground की तरफ. Yes. Now next one. Yeah, why we are doing all this mobility, ankle and toe mobility? Your base is the foundation. So what is the base for our body is the means this foot is your base for your body. So make sure it should be mobilized properly and strengthened properly. So that's why. So now next one, stand like this and just bend, 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 bend. Hope you guys can see me what I am doing. See, first thing, I am standing on my toes, all the fingers touching on the ground, all the toes touching on the ground. Hope you guys can see me. Yes, yes. So it will be touching on the ground. All the foot, आपका जो foot का जितना भी उंगली है पूरा ground पे touch होएगा. And you have to bend from your knee little bit and push, push. Yeah, move ahead, go back. I am not moving my hand. I am just moving from the lower body, just from the. So my toe is getting mobilized. Toe and all the fingers. Yes. We are focusing on the ball of the foot, 4 feet. The reason is that is a part which leave the ground at the last moment. Yeah. So done. Now next one we will do. Yeah. Hope you can see. My legs. Yeah. See, now from your foot you have to only your toe will be touching on the ground. Only toe is touching on the ground. Yeah. Now then all other fingers on the top and then release it. Top, release it. Top, release it. Top, release it. My big toe is on the ground only and other finger I am lifting it and releasing it. Yeah. I am strengthening my toe. So for that I am mobilizing it. So just pick up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. When I am telling up, my toe is on the ground itself, other finger is only lifting. I am pressing. When I am telling down and just releasing my leg, please relax. Yeah. Now up, my toe is on the ground and other finger I am lifting it. Yeah, from the ground. Yeah, relax. Yeah. Next, up, relax, 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 up, relax. These are the part of the foot which we always miss to strengthen. So that is why most of the injuries come. The more it will be mobilized your foundation, the more better the foundation, the more better you will be, and there is a less chances of injury and faster the recovery. Okay, relax, relax. I am pressing from my toe. Hope what I am doing is visible. If it is not visible, please write in comment. I will see it. Yeah. Hope my toe, what movement I am doing from the toe is visible. If it is visible, write. If it is not visible, please write no. I will see it. I will look into it and I will change the angle of the camera so you guys will be able to see. Release. Yeah. Now next one. Now what we were doing? अभी हम लोग जो toe था टो को ग्राउंड पे रख रहे थे और बाकी जो फिंगर्स था उसको उठा रहे थे। अभी अपोजिट, नाउ अदर फिंगर्स विल बी ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड योर टो ऑन द टो ऑफ द ग्राउंड। यस, ये पीपल कैन सी मी। या अभी मेरा जो बाकी जो फिंगर है वो ग्राउंड पे रहेगा और मेरा टो ऊपर उठेगा। अब बोलूंगा तो सिर्फ मेरा जो टो है ऊपर आएगा और बाकी सारे फिंगर डाउन की तरफ प्रेस करेगा, ग्राउंड के अगेंस्ट में प्रेस करेगा। रिलैक्स, नाउ अप, रिलैक्स, अप, रिलैक्स, अप, रिलैक्स, अप, रिलैक्स, अप, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up. Hold it, हाँ। आपका जो आपका बिगेस्ट टो है वो ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा, उसको ऊपर लेना है और बाकी सारे फिंगर्स आपकी ग्राउंड पे टच होंगे। यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर बेस, द फाउंडेशन ऑफ योर बॉडी इज योर फीट, यू आर स्ट्रेंथनिंग दैट। इफ यू डोंट हैव अ गुड फाउंडेशन, everything goes wrong, from your running form to everything. I will tell you the reason why I am taking this session. Relax, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax. Yeah, now one more round we will do. So first one, what we will do, the toes against the ground and your fingers will be up, other finger will be up. Yeah, so see, just change. Yeah, hope it will be more visible. Yeah, so the toe is touching on the ground, my toe is on the ground and other finger is up. I am telling up means other fingers will be off the ground, and only toe will be on the ground and it will be pressing against the ground. Relax, release it. Yeah. Next, up, release it. Up, up means other finger up and toe on the ground. Release it. Down, up, relax, up, relax, up. You are pressing your toe, but you are fully from your toe you are activating your glutes also. If you just realize when you are pressing against the ground, you may feel the some sensation in your glutes, adductor also, because your feet is your foundation from where body get the sense of feeling and touching the ground. Relax, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, now next one. Now other finger will be on the ground and your toe will be off the ground. Off the ground means वो ground पे touch नहीं रहेगा, बाकी fingers सारे के सारे touch रहेंगे और उसको against the ground press करना है. Relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, relax. Now next one, just relax your legs if you are feeling. Yeah. Till that time I will show next one. See, again one more for your feet. What you have to do, you have to lift all the fingers and you have to press from your ball of the feet. You may be feeling when you are lifting it, you may be only on your आपका जो toe का part है उसके ऊपर ही खड़े गए. Try to press from other side. So all part of your ball of the feet, this feet part should be on the ground pressing. Yeah. नहीं तो क्या होता है? In general, it will happen. The other side will be also lifted. So that we don't have to lift. Yeah. So chalo, let's do it. Yeah. Lift. Make sure you are pressing from all your ball of the feet on the ground from all the surface. Means full feet. Else from the side it will lift it up because you are lifting your finger up. Relax. Up. Yes. All the fingers on the ground. Is not on the ground. Up means all the fingers are coming up. Yeah. Only ball of the feet completely on the ground. Make sure from the side the last finger ball of the feet should be also on the ground. That is most important. Relax. Yes. Next one. Up. Relax. 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 Yeah. Now next one more for your toe. Now it will be especially focus on your toe only. So जो आपका toe का जो finger है उसको ऐसे press करना है. See how I am pressing. ये toe है समझ लो, ये toe है. ये जो toe वाला पार्ट है उसको मैं इसको ऐसे करके अभी इसको ग्राउंड पे प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. समझ लो ये मेरा हाथ जो ग्राउंड है और मैं इसको ऐसे प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. यस. सी. Press it. You can do on your mat if you are feeling this. Your घर का tile will be hurting, so do on your mat. It is not a problem. Yeah, but press it. Press it. All other finger will be off the ground. Will be off the ground. Yes, but press it. Yes. See how I am pressing it. Relax. Now another leg. We will do one more round. Don't worry. Yes. Yeah. I am pressing it. See how I am pressing it. Relax. Now another leg. फिर से एक राउंड और. Again, you have to press against the ground. Other finger will be not on the ground. Yes. Another leg. Relax. Now next one. अभी बाकी fingers के लिए करेंगे same. जो बाकी जो 4 finger है उसको ग्राउंड के ऐसे फिर से hope you can see what I am doing at the foot movement. Yeah, and I am not going like this. Body straight, core, involve your core. Don't stand like this. Stand straight. Yes. Just press it. Relax. Yes. Now next one. दूसरा पैर. Now my toe is not touching or pressing against the ground. Relax. Yes. Next one. दूसरा पैर, दूसरा पैर, now next one, since we are doing pro count, so I will show another one also. Take a stick with you. If your stick is small, we have bag for that also. If you have a small stick, keep like this. Yeah. Now you have to come on your. Hope you can see me. Yes. This should be at level of your chest. Your hand. You are holding from the hand from your level of the chest, not down, not up. Okay, not like this. Yeah. So I am holding. Make sure at one point where it will be stable. Yeah. अगर बड़ा आपके पास ये है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. तो अभी क्या करना है, इसके ऊपर आना है, स्क्वाट पोजीशन जाना है, स्क्वाट पोजीशन, और आपको खाली टोस के ऊपर रहना है. सारे फिंगर ग्राउंड पे टच रहेंगे और उसको प्रेस करना है अगेंस्ट द वॉल, अगेंस्ट द ग्राउंड प्रेस करना है, और बाकी सारे फिंगर मीन्स टच रहेंगे. मेक श्योर एवरी फिंगर इज टचिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, नथिंग इज ऑफ द ग्राउंड, एंड यू आर प्रेसिंग अगेंस्ट द ग्राउंड. सो यू विल बी इन द स्क्वाट पोजीशन लिटिल बिट, and you will be on your only on the finger. Yeah, so make sure you are doing it correctly, don't do it wrong. Else for what purpose we are doing, it will be of no use. So make sure you are doing it properly. See the position how I am doing. This should be at the level of the chest, should be not up, not down. Yeah. So and press, you have to press this stick also. ये जो भी आपके स्टिक है या जो भी है बड़ा डंडा, उसको अगेंस्ट द ग्राउंड उसको भी प्रेस करना है. 30 to 40% उसके ऊपर प्रेशर डालना है. यस, अगेंस्ट द ग्राउंड. When you press, you will give tension to this 30 to 40% down. Then you will be making sure your all the feet. Yeah guys, just relax it. Yeah, now listen to it. Yeah, relax it. You will do again, don't worry. When you are doing this, make sure you are pressing it, so that when you are pressing it, your all the finger will also go towards the ground. So that's why we are taking the help of this. Yes, chalo, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we will do for the 30 seconds. Yeah, first thing what? It should be at the level of the chest. Yeah. Now just lift it on the ball of the feet completely, come up and go down and press it towards the ground. Yes, स्टिक को भी प्रेस करना है towards the ground. तो अपने आप सारे फिंगर्स आपके ग्राउंड की तरफ ग्राउंड पे टच हो जाएंगे, एंड यू विल फील द योर all the fingers of the foot will be flexed very well. That is what we are doing. We are focusing on our yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yes. We will do a few more. Yes. We will do few again. Press it like this. Yes. Now lift this leg. Behind. Up. Behind. Up. Behind. Up. Behind. Up. When you are going ahead, see, make sure आपका जो आगे वाला फुट है पूरा ग्राउंड की तरफ फिर से प्रेस करना है. your roll of the finger will not go. You have to make sure you are pressing from your finger when my leg is going ahead. I am making sure मेरा जो एंकल का मूवमेंट है वो आगे आता है, और जो ये फीट है, जो फिंगर है वो मैं ग्राउंड की तरफ और प्रेस करता हूँ. सो दैट इज द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. अब सो नाउ आई एम प्रेसिंग इट. रिलैक्स. अब आई एम मेकिंग श्योर आई एम प्रेसिंग अगेंस्ट द ग्राउंड विथ ऑल द फिंगर. रिलीज. या कम अहेड with it. Release. Yes. Release. Yes. I am working on my ankle. I am working on my ankle. Release. Release. Come up. 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 Release. Yeah. Now for the other leg. Other leg will be on the ground. Yeah. Chalo, start. Come up. Release. 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 Involve your core, involve your glutes. Press from your foot towards the ground. Press all the foot, all the toes on the ground. Press it. That is what more important. Now going ahead, your toes should be pressing against the ground. Relax. Up. Relax. Up. Relax. Yes. Relax. Now one more we will do. The ankle mobilization. What we will do? You will do like this, but we will open it up. In. Out. Hope you guys can see. See what I am doing. I will show with this leg. You can see properly this more better. Yeah. You have to be in the. You have to make sure your heel on the ground. Your heel on the ground. You are pressing it. Yes. This left. Lift it. Movement. Movement. जिसको कैच आ रहा होगा, just relax. Then again do. और जिसको लग रहा है यहाँ से ऐसे कुछ आवाज आ रहा है, उसको आवाज आ रहा है, तो जस्ट टेक इट लिटिल डाउन, देन डू. जिसका जितना रेंज ऑफ मोशन है उतना ही करो. ये हम लोग रेंज ऑफ मोशन बढ़ाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड मोबिलिटी. या सो डोंट मिक्स इट. योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज अ एबिलिटी. आपका मसल, एक पर्टिकुलर कोई भी मसल कितना ये हो सकता है, ये लेंथन हो सकता है. रेंज ऑफ मोशन इज समथिंग हाउ मच आवर बॉडी इज एबल टू गो इन सम ऑफ द डायरेक्शन. या लाइक आवर शोल्डर कैन गो इन एनी ऑफ द डायरेक्शन. या 360 डिग्री मूवमेंट है इसको. यस, आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. या विद द शोल्डर 360 डिग्री मूवमेंट है इसको. बट अभी हम लोग ने we did some challenges yesterday with Namaskar. So everyone have 360 degree range of motion for your shoulder. But still few were able to do very easily. Few were struggling little bit. Few were struggling too much. So that was your range of motion of your hand, your shoulder. So that it not depends on the flexibility. Okay. So we had seen yesterday there were few good people with also good flexibility were little struggling, and with less flexible people also did very well. Many did very well, yeah, no doubt. But that is what मैं आपको सिर्फ रेंज ऑफ मोशन, मोबिलिटी और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के बारे में छोटा सा डिफरेंस बताना चाहता हूँ. both are different. Yeah, don't mix it. So what we are doing, yes, अभी हम लोग पैर को ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे, ऐसे we are opening up the hip, closing, but we are working on our ankle also. Make sure, see, अभी करो मत, मैं सिर्फ इसके लिए दिखा रहा हूं. जो आपका हाथ है और ये वाला जो फुट है जो ग्राउंड पे टच है, ये वाला, उसको मैं मूव नहीं कर रहा हूं. सिर्फ मेरा ये पैर है, ये जो, इसको सिर्फ मूव कर रहा हूं. सो ये वाला पैर जो है वो ग्राउंड पे ही टच रहेगा. ओके, विल डू स्टार्ट. चलो 2 राउंड करेंगे दोनों पैर के लिए. यस, एक बार ऑल्टरनेट लेग्स करेंगे, डोंट वरी. चलो 3, 2, टेक द पोजिशंस, स्टार्ट. यस, इन, आउट, इन, जितना जा सकते हो. किसका इतना ही जाएगा, किसका और अंदर जाएगा, ठीक है. आपका रेंज ऑफ मोशन आपका है, इसे दूसरे का रेंज ऑफ मोशन नहीं ले सकता है. यस, स्ट्राइक जितना होगा दैट इज गुड, डोंट ओवरडू इट. इन, जितना अंदर जा सकते हो. रिलैक्स, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Yes, we will do for the another leg. Yeah? Yeah. मैं दूसरे पैर के लिए, ये पैर आपको कम दिखेगा, खाली इनवर्ड आएगा तभी दिखेगा, बट दैट्स व्हाई आई शो इट. मैं पहले ये वाला पैर दिखाया सो दैट यू डू प्रॉपरली. या दूसरे पैर के लिए स्टार्ट कर दो. या काउंटिंग स्टार्टिंग. इन, आउट, इन, आउट. योर बॉडी शुड नॉट मूव, ओनली योर लेग इज मूविंग फ्रॉम योर हिप. आई विल शो सम ड्रिल ऑल्सो फॉर योर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स. Most important part, the ankle, hip. You are working on your ankle, your hip. You are mobilizing your ankle also. When you are coming in, you are putting the pressure on this ankle, so it is coming in, so that you are working here also. When you are coming and you are releasing, you are working on your hip. Yeah. रिलैक्स. यस, हाँ, दूसरे पैर के लिए. यस, चलो we will do now. Enough explanation I did. Yes. You guys can see, that is great. Yes, now another leg. Chalo, start. In, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Yes. Now what we will do? See, again in the same position. See, you have to lift your leg, press, touch, 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 touch. Inward, outward, inward, outward. Yeah? Chalo, we'll start. Hope you got it. Inward, outward, inward, outward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 15 count you will do, huh? Those who can do only 10, do it 10. 8, fine. Take a break, again do. Don't worry. Yeah, no compulsion of count. Do it as per your capacity. Yes, relax. All done. 15. चलो, या दूसरे पैर के लिए, या दूसरे पैर के लिए. My leg is straight. I am not bending the forward and behind leg also. I am not going like this, huh? I am not going like this. I am not moving my body. Yeah. So make sure you are not moving your body, but just extending till you can. किसी का ज़्यादा होगा, किसी का कम होएगा. It depends. आपके बॉडी कहाँ तक जा सकता है. सबका बॉडी का कैपेबिलिटी अलग अलग होगा. बस 15 काउंट हो जाएगा. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. हाँ, वन मोर राउंड फॉर सेम लेग. हाँ हाँ भैया, अदर लेग, सॉरी, अदर लेग. हाँ, you will do quickly. Let's start. So another exercise, you will get the time. We are still working on our ankle itself. So, 15 done. You can change your leg. You count yourself, huh? I am counting mine. Yes. Chalo. Okay. Chalo. We will do together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, relax, relax. Now we will do one more. Now try to be like this and try to go side by side. आपका जो हिप है उससे ये आउटवर्ड, इनवर्ड, लेफ्ट, राइट, या इस इधर ऐसे होना है. सी अगेंस्ट द वॉल. Just ready. One leg lift. Relax. You are moving from your ankle. आपका जो ankle है उसका mobilization हो रहा है. Left, right. The people who do trail running, mostly we get the sprain, injury, because there is a less mobilization in your ankle. That's why we get the sprain. Because in the trail runs or wherever the road is bad, we see there are more stones or pebble stones, big stones, small stones, mud, uneven surface. So our legs get twisted and few may get sprained. The reason there is a less mobilization in your leg, so you get injured quickly. So if you have good mobilization, it is not avoid your injury, but if you get injured, it also helps you to recover faster. Very important. Yeah, my one leg is on the air only. Yeah. Do minimum 10. जिससे नहीं होता है 5 करो, 6 करो, फिर से ब्रेक लो, फिर करो, नो प्रॉब्लम. जिसका जितना जाएगा उतना ही. डोंट ट्राई टू पुश टू मच. या else you will get injured. That is what we don't have to do. We did toe mobilization, we are doing ankle. Yeah, the toe is very important. Make sure you keep in your routine. So your toe is the last thing when you are running. It is get lifted from the ground. And with your toes, many things are connected on your foot. So make sure your toes are well mobilized. Yes. Now we will do for the another leg. I am lifting another leg. Yeah. Outward, inward, outward, inward, outward, inward, outward, inward. Just relax, relax. Yeah, relax, guys. Relax. Yeah, relax. Yeah. Now we will do the next one. Again, it will be same. What we will be doing? अभी आपको ये जो पैर है उसको ऐसे मूव करना है, बॉडी मूव होएगा बट आपका एंकल मूव नहीं होएगा. अभी हम लोग एंकल मूव कर रहे थे, एंकल और आपका जो हिप था उससे मूव हो रहा था. अभी हम लोग बॉडी मूव करेंगे, आपके जो हिप से है उससे मूव करेंगे. ऐसे ये देखिए, लाइक दिस आई एम मूविंग इट. Relax. Go inward. Relax. Go inward. हिप से मूव करना है, हिप से मूव करना है, बॉडी को अंदर की तरफ लेके जाना है. रिलैक्स. इनवर्ड. रिलैक्स. Inward. Your feet will be on the ground itself, or not moving that. Relax. Relax. Press inside. 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 Relax. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. दूसरा पैर. Press inside. Relax. Press inside. Relax. Press inside. Relax. Press inside. Relax. Inside जितना जा सकते हो. Yeah, you can move. Relax. I am moving it. My body is moving. I am moving from the hip also. पूरा बॉडी टर्न करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूं मैं. Yes. Yes. Relax. 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 So, with it, now few more we will do. Few more. Yeah. We will do one more for the toe. Yeah. So we did one, two. Yeah. Yeah. Now what? Now next one we will do for this. So we didn't do it. So now you have to press it. You are working on your ankle. First thing, when you are pressing it, you are working on your ankle. Yeah, just press it, release it. Press it, release it. You are making sure you are pressing it from the only the top part of your foot, not entirely. You are pressed from your top part. So you are mobilizing your toe finger also. Yeah, you are mobilizing the toe finger, then toe and finger, and then also we are working on the ankle. Yes. Relax. Yeah, put it. Relax. One. Press, press, press. Release. Press. Release. Press. Bump. Press it, press it, press it. Release. press it, press it, press it, release, press it, press it, press it, release, press it, press it, release. Yeah? Press it. You can do on the mat, not a problem. I am showing it here because you will be able to see. Release, 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 release. Now for the another leg. Press, 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 release. Press, 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 release. Press, press it, press it, press it, release. Press it, press it, press it, release. Press it, press it, press it, release. 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 Yeah. Now next one, you will be just doing like this. Press, 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 release. Press, press. मेरा जो आउटवर्ड जो है फुट का ये जो फीट है आउटवर्ड पार्ट, उससे मैं प्रेस कर रहा हूँ ग्राउंड की तरफ. डाउन, 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 रिलीज. नेक्स्ट वन अगेन. डाउन, 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 रिलीज. Down, 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 release. Down, 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 release. Yes. Down, 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 release. Down, 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 release. Yeah, we will do for the another leg. Yeah. One. Yeah. Press it, press it, press it, press it, press it, release. Press it, press it, press it, press it, release. Press, press. Press, 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 release. Yeah? Press, 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 release. Press, 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 release. Press, 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 release. Press, 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 release. Press it, press it, press it, press it, release. Press it, press it, press it, release. Yeah, we did enough for the ankle. Yeah, we did for the toes also. Now, yeah, I will show one more. Take the stick. Take the stick. If your stick is smaller than your chest level, see, my stick is smaller than my chest level. So what I am doing? I am taking the table, holding it at the chest level. Yeah. Now, I will sit in the squat position. मेरा हाथ वही लेवल पे रहेगा. Sit in the squat position. Just move. मेरा जो एंकल से, ये एंकल से और ये वाला जो नी है, उससे मैं आगे की तरफ प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am pushing my knee. I generally tell कि don't. If you are doing the squat, your knee should not go ahead. Yes, it should not. But now we are not focusing on the squat. We are pushing it. We are mobilizing our ankle so that this knee will go ahead of this. We will try. जिसका नहीं जाएगा try करो. But make sure आपका जो heel है वो ground पे ही touch रहे. The main important point. Your heel should be on the ground. If you are pushing it ahead, okay. If you are lifting your heel, it is of no use. Yeah. So what we have to do? So I am using this stick. I am keeping it at the chest level. Yeah. जिसका stick छोटा है ऐसे टेबल पे रख लो, चेयर पे रख लो या बेड पे रख लो ऐसे, और फिर ये करो, ऐसे जाओ नीचे स्क्वाट पोजीशन में. अभी आगे 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 आगे. Press it, press it. Make sure your heel is not lifting off the ground. You don't have to lift your heel. Relax. Yeah? We will go again. We will do push, 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 push. सबका अलग अलग जाएगा, किसी का कम जाएगा, किसी का ज्यादा जाएगा. But don't worry, you will slowly improve ourselves. Relax. Do it again. Push, 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 push. Relax. Push, 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 push. Yeah? Again. We will do 10 times total. Yeah? So start. Yes. Push, push, push. Relax. एक बार हो गया. हाँ? Push, 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 push. Relax. 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 Push, push, push. Relax. Push, push, push. Relax. Push, 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 push. Relax. Push it, push it, push it. Relax. हाँ? 10 काउंट हो गए तो बस करना है. हाँ? Next one. Next one. हाँ? We are done with stick also. हाँ? Drink water, guys, if you want to. हाँ? Drink water. Drink water if you want. I will change the angle of the camera so you will be able to see me. Yeah, now you can see me. Now it will be, yeah, you will be able to see me. Not a problem. We will do few more ankle mobilization. Yeah, some flexion we will do more. Yeah, what's the time? 1 minute, please. We will do few more movements for the ankle. Some other time we will do hip. We will show 1-2 hip. I will 1-2 hip movement also I will show, but not much because we are lack of time. Chalo. Again we will come on the toe. Now you have to press. आपका जो टो पार्ट है उसको ही प्रेस करो, बस प्रेस करो. I may not be able to see. You may not be able to. Wait, guys. You will be able to see. Don't worry. I hope now you can see. Yes, it is much closer. What I am doing? I am pressing it. इसको मैं प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. सिर्फ जो आपका बिग टो है उसको प्रेस कर रहा हूँ मैं. सी. Pressing, press it, press it, press it, press it, press, release, press it, press it, press it, press it, press, release, release. And now press it, press it, press it, press it, release, press, 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 release. Now press, 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 release. Yeah. Now we will do for the another leg. We will do for the another leg. Yes. Yeah. Press it. 1, 2, yeah. Hold it for few seconds. Hold it for few seconds. Release it. Hold it for few seconds. Release it. Hold it for few seconds. Release it. Your toe is very important when you are running. The last part which gets lifted from your body is a ball of the feet. If that is not properly mobilized, your running form will not be a proper, because if it is tighter, if it is stiff, if it is not mobilized, you will not be able to land it properly. So you will. I saw many videos. I had taken few of the videos. So I was checking and I was trying to figure it how it can be improved. There are people whose knees only get inside. How they will improve it? Because their foot is not making able, it is not able to, your hip and foot is not getting synced to be in the straight position. Your knee is going inside. So it is obvious, if your knee is going inside or outside, is not proper, the foot movement will not be proper. You will be, so it will be lateral. That's why वी से सुपिनेशन. सो ऑल दिस जो प्रोनेशन है वो इसलिए है क्योंकि प्रॉपरली मोबिलाइज नहीं है. विल डू इट मे इम्प्रूव. या सो वी डिड विद द टो. या नाउ वन मोर वी विल डू फॉर द टो. सिट लाइक दिस. सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. चेक माय पोजिशंस. जो सारे जो फिंगर है उसको मैंने ये करके रखा है. अभी इसको प्रेस किया मैंने. अभी है ना ये बाहर आ रहा है. इसको थोड़ा प्रेस करो. यू विल फील द प्रेशर ऑन योर टो. प्रेस इट. आपका जो हील है उसको अंदर की तरफ प्रेस करो. यू विल फील द प्रेशर ऑन योर टोज. एक टो में ज्यादा आ रहा होगा ऑफकोर्स. कोई तो एक टो के अंदर ज्यादा आ रहा होगा बिकॉज वन साइड इज ऑलवेज लिटिल बिट वीकर देन योर weaker or whatever we can tell. We can improve. Yeah, press it, release. Press it. Make sure you are pressing it itself or you are releasing. Release. Press it. Release. Press it. Release. Press it. Release. Press. You will feel one toe more giving more pressure. Release. Release. Press, 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 release. Just now get up like this. Press from this. Press it. Press it. Make sure you are touching all the fingers on the ground. Press it. Press it. Release. Yes. Press it. Press it. Press it. Release. Very important, huh? Your foot is your base. कोई भी बड़ा बड़ा ब्रिज बनता है उसको बेस बनाते. सबसे ज्यादा टाइम बेस को फाइंड आउट करने को लगता है क्योंकि कहाँ पे कितना अंदर तक हम लोग फाउंडेशन बनाएंगे उसके ऊपर है. कहाँ पे और वो कितना जल्दी हम लोग को मिल जाए जहाँ पत्थर है तभी हम लोग वहाँ पे बिल्ड करते हैं बेस. तो वैसा आपका टो है. जितना अच्छा आपका टो है, जितना अच्छा फुट रहेगा, जितना अच्छा मोबिलाइज रहेगा, स्ट्रेंथ रहेगा आपके फुट में, उतना अच्छा, उतना एफिशिएंटली आप कोई भी वर्कआउट करोगे. यू विल बी सीइंग देयर आर मेनी पीपल who not be able to do squat properly. वो ऐसे बेंड हो जाते हैं. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट नहीं रहता ऐसा. द बेंड इतना ही होता है बट थोड़ा नीचे क्योंकि उनका एंकल मोबिलाइज नहीं है. अगर एक बार एंकल मोबिलाइज हो जाएगा देन दे विल बी एबल टू बिकॉज देयर एंकल इज नॉट अलाउइंग टू डू देम. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू get to know what is the problem. Yeah, so we will do once again. प्रेस वाला हम लोग अभी प्रेस करेंगे. रिलैक्स. प्रेस इट. रिलैक्स. प्रेस इट. रिलैक्स. प्रेस इट. रिलैक्स. प्रेस इट. रिलैक्स. प्रेस. रिलैक्स. प्रेस. रिलैक्स. प्रेस. Relax. We did enough for the toe. Yeah. For the ankle, I will just show you do it. You can do this also. This is also very good. Just sit in the position, press it. Yeah. It is very good. Yeah. I will show another one because this you can do anytime. Yeah. One more for your ankle. Yeah. Ankle. How you will do? See. You are doing this. ये वाला पैर 90 डिग्री रखना. यस. 1 मिनट. जस्ट फोल्ड इट इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू. मैट को फोल्ड कर लेना. मैट को मैंने फोल्ड कर लिया और ये वाला पैर को ऐसे रखा है. यस. इट इज नॉट गोइंग आउट ऑफ द ring. अभी ये वाला पैर को ऐसे पुश करो. हील ग्राउंड पे टच रहेगा और इसको आगे लेके जाओ. आगे आगे. प्रेस इट. प्रेस इट. प्रेस इट. प्रेस इट. प्रेस इट. हील ग्राउंड पे ही टच है मेरा. मैं कैमरे के बाहर जा रहा हूँ. यस. आई एम प्रेसिंग इट। अभी मेरा जो हील है, थोड़ा सा एंगल चेंज करो, हील ग्राउंड पे टच ही है, हील ग्राउंड पे टच ही है मेरा। यस, आई एम पुशिंग इट फ्रॉम हियर, जिसके पास रेजिस्टेंस बैंड रहेगा, रेजिस्टेंस बैंड किधर बांध सकते हैं और प्रेस कर सकते हैं। यस, दूसरे पैर के लिए। यस, प्रेस इट, प्रेस प्रेस। इसको टेबल पे भी कर सकते हैं। रखा पैर, अभी इसको प्रेस करो। यस, मेक श्योर कंप्लीटली ग्राउंड पे टच है। यस, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट। ये ग्राउंड पे टच है मेरा। रिलैक्स, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, प्रेस इट, रिलैक्स। One more time. Press it, press it, press it, relax. Yes. Now next one. दूसरा पैर, दूसरा पैर. Press it, press it. I am pressing. मेरा नी इसके बाहर जा रहा है, अभी टो के बाहर जा रहा है. Yes. Press it, press it, press it, press it. Make sure your heel is on the ground. Heel is on the ground. मैं heel को ग्राउंड पे ही रख रहा हूँ, मतलब आपका जो टेबल है उस पर ही रख रहा हूं। रिलैक्स, 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 रिलैक्स। वन मोर, ग्राउंड पे, ये वाला पैर ग्राउंड पे, रिलैक्स। चलो, टेबल साइड। I will show few for your foot of the ball, but till behind. Yes, few I will show with the ball how to mobilize it. मैंने यहाँ पे रखा। Now I am pressing it. Stand out, stand it, stand on it. Relax. Stand. But I hope you all are having some or other ball, like tennis ball. Yeah, stand on it, stand on it. I am, see, I am just pressing it, I am just pressing it. Now with this we will do one. So now we will try to grab this. We will try to grab the ball with your toe finger. We will try to press it and grab it. पूरा आपका जितना भी फिंगर है पूरा ऐसा हो जाएगा। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। रिलीज। अभी भी हम लोग जो 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 फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉल है इधर ही बॉल रख दे। या वी हैवंट वेंट टिल हियर, वी विल गो, बट या गो डाउन। यस, प्रेस इट, स्क्वीज इट, relax, squeeze it, relax, squeeze it, relax, squeeze it, stand on it, squeeze it, relax. Yeah, now we will do for the another leg. First what we are doing, first just jump कर रहे, stand, release, stand, release, stand, release, stand. Hope my feet is visible. My full body is not visible, but fine, because I am working on my foot. So that is more important. What I am doing, you are able to see. Relax, relax, relax. Yeah. Now what? You will squeeze the finger. Press it, squeeze. Squeeze each and every finger of that. Relax. Relax. Feet is your foundation. Feet is properly mobilized, you will get less injured. There are many knee injuries which are related with your feet. Because your feet is not properly mobilized, we get the injury in your knee. Because your feet is not allowing to land you properly. Since you are not landing properly, your movement gets disturbed, and because of that you get injured. Yes, release it. Release it. Release it. Yeah. Now we will go other part of the foot. अभी बाकी 4 उंगली के ऊपर रखा हूँ मैंने. Yes. Stand. Same. Repeat. Like toe what we did. Same. Press. Release. 5 times we will do. And lack of time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, yes. With this, I will squeeze it. अभी मैं ज़्यादा फिंगर पे फोकस करूँगा rather than toes पे. Yes. Relax. Relax. मेरा फोकस बाकी टोस पे है rather than big toe. This all the things what I showed may be something different for you, but do it. You will improve it. Best time. Lockdown is extended for next 2 weeks. Do it at least once or twice in a week is enough. It will help you. Not only toe and ankle, but hip mobility. Hip is also very important in your running. Relax it. Yeah. Now, one thing I will show, which others also know. You can, the outer of the foot, you can just release it like this with the ball. You can do like this. Yes. We will not waste the time. I will just show. Like this, you can roll it and release it. Yes. Now, next one. One on your heel. Press it. Stand on it. Relax. Stand. Release. Stand. Release. Stand. Now next one, what I will do, I will stand on it, but I will move laterally. Stand, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, guys. Last one I will show. Yeah? This is last one what we are doing. So do the lateral movement. Yes. We will do one for the hip. I will show 90-90. Then up. See, for your hip. Sit in the 90-90. Like this. Like this. Yes. Then other side. Another side. Like this. Move like this. This one movement you can do for a hip. Opening the hip. Hip. Yes. Relax. Relax. This is the the most simpler one, because you have to lift the leg and do it. The another one I will show. You have to put your leg like this and see. I will show from here. Yes, I will move completely. See, I am here right now. See properly. Yes. Now I will move this side. In the same position I am coming. Hope you can see. मेरा ये वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है और ये पीछे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है साइड. Yes. Now I am not lifting from the ground. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. This is very good hip opener. Move. 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 You can hold also. When you are holding it, make sure this knee should be touching on the ground. That's it. Okay? Mobilize your hip, your glutes. Main thing, what we did for the glute workout, all are the mobilizing the glutes. All this what I had shown you in the previous sessions. Do all these glute exercises, all the donkey kicks. It is good mobilizer for your glutes. Hip is very important. Today I showed mostly we focus only on the foot, ankle. The most important we focus on your toe mobilization of your toe, your foundation. Okay? Yes, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, done for the today. We will see you for the. But don't miss all these things. Do it once or twice in the week, so your body is properly mobilized. Yeah, so it is very important to mobilize your feet. If your feet is not properly mobilized, I already told you, your running mechanics may get disturbed. People get the knee pain and everything because your feet is not allowing you to land it in that way. When people do the trail running, they get little twist, they get injured. There are people who have good mobilization, they get many times twisted and they don't get injured because they have good mobilization. Yeah. Okay. Hope you guys got it. What I told. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye. See you. Don't go outside. Yeah. Follow the lockdown rule. Thank you so much. Bye.